To keep you all in touch with your academics, I am going to introduce an interesting and a very simple chapter in maths for grade 5. You all might be knowing a number. You are all familiar with the word number. Whenever I say number, what comes to your mind? It comes to your mind that number is a symbol which we use to represent a particular value. Number is just a symbol used to represent a particular value. A number may have many number of digits in it. Supposing if I write 8, it is a single digit number. That means it contains only one digit. If I write numbers like this number contains 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are totally 5 number of digits in this particular number. And each and every digit in a number will have its own value. So, what is that? And it has got its own place also in a particular number. That means every digit in a number has got its own place and its own value in a number. Supposing, see, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. These are all called the places. These are the places. That means 3 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 8 is in hundreds place. Again 3 is in thousands place and 4 is in 10,000s place. So these are all the places. And how about the place values? So here 3 is in ones place. Its place value will be 3 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 3. 3 is in ones place. Its place value is 3 into 1, 3. And 6 is in tens place. Its place value is 6 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 60. Likewise, 8 is in hundreds place. So its place value will be 8 multiplied by 100, which is equal to 800. Hope it's clear to you all. And now coming on to again 3. 3 is in thousands place. Its place value will be 3 multiplied by 1000, which is equal to 3000. And now 4 is in 10,000s place. So its place value is 4 multiplied by 10,000, which is equal to 40,000. So that means now you have understood very clearly that every digit in a number will be having its own place and its own place value also. So with this basic knowledge, let us move on to the place value chart. Place value chart. Place value charts. Children, we have two place value charts. One is the Indian place value chart and the second one is the international place value chart. So you need to remember there are two place value charts. First one is the Indian place value chart. The second one is the international place value chart. Now let us focus on the Indian place value chart, which goes on like this. Here O stands for ones, tens, T stands for tens, hundreds, thousands, TH, capital T, small h for thousands, and 10,000, capital T and then TH. This is for 10,000, lakhs, lakh, crore, that is capital C, and 10 crore, that is T and C. See, when you observe this is how the place value chart pattern goes on in the Indian place value system of numeration. If you observe this, children, ones, tens, hundreds, these are all the places. These places have been grouped under periods. We call it as ones period. Ones period. So, which are all the places that are there in ones period? You will be having ones, tens, hundreds in ones period. Then this is 1000 and 10,000. These two will come under thousands period. Thousands period. And now you have lakhs and 10 lakhs. These two come under lakhs period. And you must be knowing now this crore and 10 crore comes under the crores period. I'll repeat once again. Ones, tens, hundreds come under ones period. Thousands, 10,000 will come under thousands period. Lakh, 10 lakh will come under lakhs period. Crore and 10 crore will come under crores period. This is the Indian place value chart. And supposing if I write a number here, say how to read this number. I told you in the beginning itself, every digit in a number will have its own place and its own value. Likewise here, these digits have been placed in a particular place. That is, 8 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 4 is in hundreds place, 9 is in thousands place, and 7 is in 10,000s place. To read out a number, it is very easy. 7 is in 10,000s place, so automatically the place value of this 7 is 70,000. So 70,000, 79,000, and 9 is in 100,000s place. Its place value is 9,000. So 70 plus 9 both come under thousands period. So here 79 and tell the name of the period. So 79,000, 79,000, place a comma, 428, 428. So the number, how to read this number, you need to read the period also. So you just cannot say 79, 428. It is wrong. You need to quote the period, name of the period as well. So it is 79,428. This is how we need to read the number. So you all might be knowing the method of placing commas according to the Indian system. Suppose see here I have taken a 5-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can extend this to say so now similarly you can read it as 84,32,605. You children, you all might be knowing the method of placing the commas according to the Indian system. So you used to place first ones, tens, hundreds, 1 comma, then 1,000 and 10,000. Again you used to place 1 comma in your previous grades. The reason is this. Since these 3 digits have been placed under ones period, you cannot separate them. So group them together and then place a comma. After that 1,000, 10,000 together in thousands period. We are not going to separate it. So group these two and the rest goes on since two places are there, right? And when you move from, see when you look at the chart, the one is this side, this is your right and this is your left. When you move from the right towards your left, when you move from the place value chart, when you move from your right towards your left, each consecutive place increases by 10. That is, you are going to multiply it by 10. So that is 1 into 10 will give you 10, which is the tens place. When you multiply 10 by 10, you will get 100, that is the hundreds place. When you multiply 100 by 10, again you will be getting 1000. So the digit, the value goes on increasing 10 times. When you move from your left to right in the place value chart, the value decreases by 10. Here it will get multiplied by 10. 10 times it goes on increasing, and when you move from your left to the right, that is from the highest place towards the least ones, that is 10 crore to crore. When you divide 10 crore by 10, you will be getting crore. That is, its place value goes on decreasing. This is about the Indian place value chart. And children, you all must know how to write the number in words and vice versa also. That is, the number, if the number name is given, you need to identify and give the numerical form of that number also. Suppose if I consider this example, children, this is the number which is in the word format. That is 89 lakh. Number name is written 89 lakh 74,409. How do you write the numerical form of this? That is numerical form 79 lakh 74,409. 409. See, 89. 89 lakh 74,409. This is the numerical form of this number. And if the numerical form is given, you need to know how to write the number name. That is the vice versa. So here 89 lakh 74,409. This was the word form, name of the number, and this is the numerical form, and you should know how to write the name of the number which is given in the numerical form also. So this is about the Indian place value chart, and I told you in the beginning we have one more place value chart, that is the international place value chart. Here how the place value chart goes on. It is very simple, right? See, ones, that is O, tens, capital T, hundreds, capital H, thousand, $10,000, that is T, TH. Till here it is similar with the Indian place value chart. Here, from here on, it differs. After 10,000, you used to write lakh. That was the next period, but here it's not. After 10,000, you will have 100,000. that is HPH. Okay. Next comes the millions. M. 10 million. TM. 100 million. That is the HM. Here comes the billion. Capital B. And then 10 billion. So, this is the international place value chart form. Again, here one's period. Next, here 1000, 10,000, 100,000 comes under thousands period. Thousands period. Thousands period. Here million, 10 million, 100 million come under millions period. Millions period. And billion, 10 billion, 100 billion comes under billions period. This comes under billions period. Here also the same thing. We need to keep the name of the period in our mind while reading the number. Example. If this number is written in your syllabus, children, you have the numbers up to 100 billion. Here billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, which comes under billions period. Here 3 is in millions place. So 3,638,000. You need to read it together. 638,205. So the way of placing commas according to the international system is this 3-3-3-3 pattern. So the reason is here 3 places. Here 3 places have been grouped under a single period, and here again million, 10 million, 100 million under millions period. This is the reason why we place commas after every 3 digits in the international system. While reading a number, you need to read it as 3. Write the name of the period, which is the period here, millions period. 3 million, comma, 600. See, 638,000. 638,000. Place a comma, then 205. So 3,638,205. This is the number name of this particular number. So try to remember the Indian and the international place value charts. In the next class, let us combine both. Let us compare both. What are the similarities among the two? In the next class, let us discuss all this. Try to keep this in your mind, children. Thank you.